What's up, guys? In today's video, we're playing Build a Boat. Whoa, that's the new boat I ever see in my life. Is that a car? That's already. I also have a boat. Let's see. You want to see my boat? Power park. Yeah, park. Load. Yes.
I'll
Okay.
later show you.
Oh, I can see my younger brother already. So what's my
new
boat?
update to the creek. Sorry.
Wait,
Your
do I
fav-
use the wrong one?
Your favorite stick of new update now.
Wait, give me a minute. I load the wrong one. I need to use power.
The old one.
Okay, power. My boat is made of power. Okay.
I'll go spawn my airplane.
Not my plate, not my power. You know what? Later, can I drive? Can I sit?
My airplane.
Am I stuck? I can't see it. Oh yeah, the chair. So wait.
Remember
Wow.
I put the lucky block in your house.
Oh yeah.
And it
Okay,
turned
okay,
wood
okay.
and then go.
Okay, can you put your lucky block in? I never played this game for a month now. So let's go.
Why your ship is like stuck inside my ship?
I don't care. Okay,
No.
where's your lucky block? Hey, can I take your candy? I can
Yeah.
take your candy.
Yo, it's small. Don't eat the red one, And don't
Hey,
eat the
look.
pink one. The pink one make you jump high. Don't eat the red one. Please, don't come and eat the red one. Hey,
Oh, why so big? What? Are you small? And I'm small?
hey, don't eat the big.
Hey!
What? Don't eat the big one. Don't eat the red one.
And what? Am I small?
I eat the red one. I'm gonna be bigger than
Oh, I
you.
need to eat one.
Don't eat the one.
Why?
Oh no, that's not fit to the
Big,
door.
let me sit down.
Oh,
my hand.
I'll go back to be small.
No thanks, I want to be big. I want to be a giant.
Oh, don't touch me for giant leg.
You know what? Where's the small one?
Oh, I forgot. I eat all of them.
No, and what does this do?
This make you jump high.
I kill you. I want to pick you up. Okay, let's launch.
Oh yeah.
Goodbye.
Okay. I forgot to show. I forgot to give in the Halloween costume.
I don't care about Halloween costume. Now let's fly.
Okay, when I'm not sitting down, I am sitting.
And thanks for taking my.
What the? I take your stuff.
Thanks for taking
Sorry.
Wait, there's a new update?
Yes.
Can I see? Whoa, so cool. And you're taking my ship.
I hate taking your ship.
Your ship is disgusting.
Your ship is like a car. A
Yeah,
flying car now.
The most slowest car.
I'm like falling down. I hate driving.
Can I drive?
Later.
Please, I'm begging you. I want to
That's
drive.
why I stopped.
Thank you. Are you stuffy now? Wait, can I see? Are we falling? That. I can't see anything.
Okay, I'll go fly again. This is so hard to control because your ship is here.
Relax. It's just a
And I'm
ship.
stuck. I'm stuck.
What's stucky?
Oh no.
And my hand. Hey, look. Hey, stop! Don't move! Don't move! I'm not on the ship.
I die.
Hey, look! I just said that means. Oh, wait, look.
Don't say.
I won't do it in my whole life.
Run.
I will never lie. I can't get in! No! How I get in?
Just die.
I won't die. Okay, fine, I die. What if I go down?
Whee!
Oh my god, big head!
Don't eat the big cat. You'll be a big cat. Hey, I want to show you cool stuff.
What cool stuff? You poop. You poop.
Don't move.
Why?
Don't move.
Why?
Don't go in.
Why?
There's a hack. You can just so cool. Go down and I grapple you and you can stay there forever.
Really?
Yes, just go down here. And go put a grappling hook.
Give me a
You want the
minute,
dragon one or the gold one? This dragon one don't have time one.
I want a dragon one.
The dragon one. The dragon one. If you keep running, he'll follow you. You know that the gold one is. He lose. Hey, what like the ship? Ah! Why you crazy? Don't click the button.
Anyways, I don't know how to drive.
Yeah, you don't have to try. Just press this button. No, that's the airship. I'm gonna loading the ship again. The
No,
ship
please,
is
let me get you.
fine. I'll watch my ship suffer.
The ship will never sink. I know how to drive.
The ship will never sink.
I hijack. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna spawn the ship.
Don't do it.
I want you. Well, I'm spawning the ship
I want
right
to
now.
drive it. Because I love driving.
That's fine.
Ah!
How you get out?
Oh, get out.
Are you crazy?
Oh my gosh.
Are you crazy?
Hey, there's a web here. You know what? You must go to my boat.
No, I don't want to go.
I am launching my.
No, I'm gonna block you.
How you block? You block nothing. All you block is poop. What the? What is this?
I'm blocking you. Boom! Where are you? Fire! Stop! Don't go in.
Okay, what now?
No, done.
Right.
Stop!
What now?
Stop! Stop!
What now?
Stop! 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 So crazy. Wait. Don't go in! Don't go in. I'm gonna spawn the ship, huh?
No, please, I'm picking you up. Wait, I watch your screen.
Don't go.
Okay, I won't lunch in my whole life.
Later, I'll show you the coolest stuff. First, I must give him the costume.
What?
Let me show you a costume. I'll go with the costume.
You wear your poop.
No, here's the costume. A tree on
Wait, a
top
tree?
of a tree.
Oh, that's a costume. Okay, maybe I must launch. Are you on board already?
Let me become small guy. Hey, shut the door! It's a bit.
I need to pilot a tree.
Ah!
My God!
Are you sure you're a good driver? You sure you'll never crash?
I won't crash in my
I paid
whole
$10
life.
million for the ship.
Who built it?
Me.
So what you pay 10 million for?
I've been
I don't know.
checking this goal for 6,000 in the year.
Nice try. You're lying.
Okay, fine. Hey, I'm driving good.
I'm driving really good. I'm the world's great driver.
Hey, if the runner.
Hey, stop! What are you
Oh,
doing?
come on. Be a good driver. You're not looks like a good driver.
I know, right?
Hey, you like it?
No!
Warning. Are you a
Warning.
good driver?
Yes, I am good. Ah!
Why? Don't
No! Boom!
don't kick the tree.
What, you want me to hit the
Don't
tree?
hit the tree.
I don't know what I'm doing, guys.
Yeah, do that. Stop. I am dead.
Why? Because
There's body rolling in the air.
you suck at me driving, but I'm just a loser. Oh yeah, I'm going backwards. Let me give it a minute. I'm going now.
I spawned the ship.
No! The ship.
I spawned it already.
No.
The ship is still here.
They got this.
If you go back to here, your ship will be gone.
And what I'm doing? Am I going? Is this a spaceship?
This is not spaceship.
What is this?
This is a new update.
The new update equals the great news for you. Goodbye.
Goodbye yourself. Goodbye your own. I must give you.
Uh-oh.
Don't die.
I will never die.
You promise. You promise.
Yeah, I just want to drive.
You promise you cannot die and couple
Man is mama man.
They like to
Boulder dice. Yeah,
I
that's the best.
can see
Oh,
nothing.
there's another scene. Oh my god, this is wow. Is this creepy?
This is the creepy.
Oh, that's... Why? How do you drive this thing?
You don't know? Why?
The glass. Boom.
You cannot break my glass. I'm gonna be swinging in my butt and fry.
Wait. I can't fly anymore. What's going on
Cause
here?
the young
You know what? Give me a minute.
Can you oof yourself?
I want you! I cannot oof!
Why?
guys, I need to try your potion. I want to try your potion. I never played this game for a month now, so I need to try everything. Hey, look, the blue thing. Let me try a blue thing. What does that do?
The blue thing makes
The
small.
blue candy.
You already tried it already.
You didn't let me try the blue candy.
Eat it then.
I can't press it. Wait, what? What is going on here?
You eat. I thought.
Am I eating?
Your leg.
I will never. Oh look, candy one. Look, what's place? What stage is this?
Candy. It's Candyland.
Whoa.
Can you die already?
No, I won't die.
How's your secret?
Little. Okay, you want me to die first? Oh, what is this? What is this? Is there a chopping? First game that we did. Let me see everything.
I put fireworks in my boat so it doesn't be the launch.
Whoa, this thing is unstoppable. Oh, the glass is broken. Wow, that's nice.
No.
And what is this do?
I love the glass.
I love this gun. I shoot you.
Do you have a gun?
I have a gun. Oh, I build. Oh, there's a lot of candies here. Oh, there's a lot of food. I don't want to die. You know what? I'm dying. Goodbye.
No, because you're going to die. Into the shocks outside.
Okay, bye. Oh, shit! Oh my gosh, I didn't know what I'm doing. And your ship is so ugly.
Yeah,
Can you make a Titanic?
oh, wait.
I want your Titanic ship.
What? There's a secret I want to show you.
No, later. The Titanic. I want you span your own Titanic. Please span your Titanic. I beg.
Lunch! You'll be back to you. Shut the door. Oh, lunch
No.
and you cry.
I hate you.
You're crying, yeah.
Can you span your Titanic?
You'll be a Superman.
Span the Titanic. I hate you anymore.
You're crying.
You didn't tell me. Keep flying. No, I hate you.
Oh, what the?
Okay, can we span the Titanic?
For my Titanic. Okay, I'll
The
put it.
Titanic.
You touched my face so bad. Okay, my face is on fire.
Yeah, your face is on fire.
That's funny.
Okay, quickly cepat sikit
This will take so long.
No!
It must take us.
I never seen this Titanic before. I never watched Titanic movie. Whoa, so cool.
Maybe she can watch.
Yeah. Whoa, and there's a lot of rocket. And what does the sign say? Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Listen to the sign. The sign is stupid.
Oh yeah, there is a sword. Hey look, is this, don't tell it. I don't want to tell it. I need to draw this. How I draw?
You cannot draw my one.
You draw, say, you're stupid.
No thanks.
Why?
I can draw. I'll draw N-O. Look, there's N-O. No. I don't want.
Oh, your Titanic is so ugly. Ugly. And congratulations, you have a trophy in Build a Boat, right? Right? It's number 1. Congratulations. You're the professional Build a Boat. How you get that reward? Because you built the world's first Titanic?
No.
You stole it!
What do you mean I stole it?
I know you stole it.
I'm not going to jail with this.
Oh,
No.
it's hot. I'm stealing your
Why you take
stuff.
the machine gun? Don't take the machine
No,
gun.
I want to steal your stuff.
No, that's not my goal.
This is
I
why.
stole the goal.
Who said to go?
Don't go in there.
Why? Well,
My goal's not it. Don't take the RPG!
why? This is not an RPG, dude.
This is a machine RPG.
And how I sit down?
Yes,
Well, it took so long.
Don't do it!
That's gotta be stop, baby.
No! Oh!
Yes, I'm good at trolling. Yeah. Wait.
That's what I tell you. You can earn a mod. If you use the gun, you shoot people, you can die. You go, don't shoot me.
Ah!
Don't go to the portal. This is my secret base. Oh, don't go there. Don't you dare.
Ah! Go in! Wait. Ah! What is this?
This is my favorite beat. It's still loading. Hey, want to earn a mod? You can kill
Please
me.
don't tell me. Yes.
You lag.
Wait, let me out!
You lag me.
I kill you.
Come on.
Okay, it's okay. You can delete it. Delete it. Delete now. You don't let me delete. You kill me. I kill you. You ugly. No, I'm falling. My dear, I hate you.
Oh, I'm so brain.
You're a loser, right? You suck.
I forgot to put candy inside here.
So I must sabotage.
Sabotage what? Don't tell me sabotage my candies.
Yes, I will sabotage your candy. So
I
can
don't
we
put
get help
candy
in?
yet. You go put some candy first. I touch your hand, your rusty hand, and touch my candy. I love it. You go push buttons for candies. Go like this. Ouch! Come on, this is gonna be wrong.
Ah! Why? Why does it keep eating? Where I go poop poop.
There's no toilet inside here.
Because your poo poos, you always love to poop. So yeah, the rocket. Celebrate. Getting in. I'm getting in. Wow, so cool. How you make this do? This is the moon, right? The basketball field. I want to do
If
that.
you launch, you can still go inside.
Boop. I launched already. What's the green teleport do?
Don't go in. This is more like drive my car.
Yeah, can I?
You cannot drive so fast.
Okay, so why can I want to play? Why? Why?
Sit down in the chair. The chair
Whoa, what is this?
This is the car right.
Wait, not yet,
ah. Shut the door.
Can I walk?
Don't walk.
Okay, shall we now go?
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Whoa, is this a?
Zoom, zoom. Now go here.
Wait, is this a taxi? Is this a work? Let me see.
This is a disgusting house. This is working.
Ew! I hate this place. Another one. Go another place. Now, stupid pilot. Faster! 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 Okay, that's it. Ah, no. What is going on here?
Oh no, I'm gonna die! It's your own.
Wait,
We're all gonna die.
what do you mean? No! No! Done! It's okay, guys.
We're stuck.
It's okay, guys.
What you mean? Okay, we're stuck.
It's okay, guys. Good thing I have my jetpack. Why I have no jetpack?
We're both stuck.
Oh,
There's one jetpack in the field. There's one jetpack there. There's the glass jetpack.
I can see a jetpack. And what is the
Don't pick the level. Don't you dare pick. Hey, don't touch this level, okay?
Alright, fine. Is this a CCTV? Is
Ah.
this Five Nights at Freddy?
No, there's no final already. This is final. Cocky! I died.
Don't die.
Now spawn my boat.
No!
And the cigar base will be gone.
I killed you. And how I get out? Can someone help?
You cannot get out.
So I need to stay here.
I'll help. I'll just use that. I can go back.
Wait a minute. I have an idea. Boop. Oh my gosh, I can do it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I can do it.
I am back, stupid.
Look at me. I'm. Ah, no!
Chicken nuggets, baby.
Okay, we later explore. So we'll see ya. And this is Billboat Part 1. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Join the notification about. And bye.